Hey, good afternoon everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make kimchi fried rice. I'm making the simplest version of this possible. I know a lot of traditional recipes call for a big fried egg on top after. I'm running out of eggs. I'm saving them to make cookies. Sorry, I've got my priorities there. So you don't need that many ingredients, okay? 3 cups of cooked rice, some kimchi, I'm using my own that I make, some oil, a couple of green onions, and an onion. So first thing to do is get the onion frying. And for this, I slice it this way because I want long pieces in the fried rice. Start your pan over medium heat. For this, I use more oil than usual. Usually I put like 2 or 3 dollops like this. I'm going to put 4 today because you don't want the rice to stick, and there's a fair amount of stuff here, and even though it's non-stick, it will get a little crispy. Break up the pieces with the tongs. I've already washed these. I'll just cut the white ends off. What I generally do with this is I cut the white pieces in the first half fairly small to get more onion in. And then, when I'm about halfway up into just the green parts, then I start chopping this way, slightly longer, to get 2 textures of onions and none of my fingers in there. And because it's kimchi and chili, I'm getting some gloves. The amount of kimchi you put in the recipe is not absolute. It depends a lot on how spicy you want it. So if you don't like it too spicy, you just put like, a couple of tablespoons. Some recipes call for 1/4 cup or more. I like it spicy, so I'm just going to put in like a nice big spoon like that. Keep the spoon out, you're going to need that in a minute. And then just chop that down. Okay, when that looks like it's chopped small enough, just let that there for a bit. While I was getting the rest of the chopping done, you can see the pan is sizzling up nicely. Just turn your rice into the pan. What you want to do is coat the rice with the oil before you turn the heat down. This will help to heat it up pretty quick, break up any clumps. Once that's looking a little oily there, turn the heat right down to medium or lower. Put the chopped kimchi in, and then get a nice big spoon of the juice. Even if you're using the store-bought, there will be juice at the bottom. This is where you can chase around any little bits of cooked rice that have not broken up. Like any fried rice, this comes out better the colder the rice is. I didn't cook this that long ago and it's still coming out fine. Just don't use hot rice. Okay, so once that's all in, you can hardly hear a sizzle now. Now I put in the green onion, turn it back up to medium, a little higher than medium. If you want crunchy bits, it's important to let it sit without stirring for a few minutes and then stir it up, and do that a few times till you're happy. When you can really start to smell the kimchi, and that's why I put this in as optional in the ingredients, because it's just fine as is. I find this adds like an extra couple of flavors to it. You can just get some soy sauce. I've got dark soy there. And just put some drops over that. You can start to see it starting to stick to the bottom now. The soy sauce will help to accelerate that. And then, for the other one, I also pour in some good quality sesame oil. Yeah, that's one thing you never want to go cheap on is sesame oil. You might as well not even bother. Now that is starting to smell really good now. So, it's nearly done. Yeah, you do want to keep it moving at this point because if you don't, it's going to stick to the pan pretty bad. But you can always get a spatula and scrape off those crunchy bits if you like that whole kind of semi-burnt rice cake thing happening. That's what I like about this disc. It's got a lot of flexibility. Now, two things are happening here. It's starting to stick on the bottom. Like, I scrape it and it still sticks. Okay, the green onions are bright green. Plus, it's also starting to make, like, this cute little pile in the middle. That tells me it's done. So I'll just plate some up. So that's how I make kimchi fried rice. Pretty simple to do, quite tasty. I hope you like this. Give it a try sometime, and see you again.